In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Peace be upon you. I'm Anam Gul and you're watching Dunia TV live on your screen. We begin today's bulletin with a heartfelt prayer. May Allah protect you, your families, the people of Iran, Palestine, and the entire Muslim Ummah, especially those nations that continue to suffer under occupation and injustice. Top stories breaking the silence of the night. 1. Massive missile barrage from Iran hits Israel. In a dramatic escalation, Iran launched a large-scale missile strike on Israel this morning, following its formal declaration of retaliation. Critical installations, including military and intelligence bases, were targeted, causing widespread destruction. Israeli authorities are reeling from what many analysts are calling one of the most devastating military blows in recent memory. 2. Iranian hackers paralyze Israeli cyber infrastructure. In another major development, Iranian cyber forces have successfully hacked into Israel's core digital systems. The cyber attack reportedly infiltrated sensitive sectors, including schools, hospitals, intelligence, and security agencies. Confidential internal data has allegedly been extracted, and Iranian hackers are believed to now have full visibility over Israel's cyber systems. This is being described by cyber experts as a complete digital breach, a national security nightmare for Tel Aviv. 3. Israel's nuclear power facility in ruins. Iranian missiles have severely damaged an Israeli nuclear power plant, a site long regarded as a symbol of military dominance. What once was a proud claim of Israeli power now lies in ashes, with satellite images confirming the extent of destruction.
4. G7 summit abruptly ended. The global shock was so great that the G7 summit was cut short by a full day, highlighting the seriousness of the situation. Behind closed doors, emergency discussions began as European powers called for immediate de-escalation. 5. U.S. emergency security response. Former U.S. President Donald Trump reportedly ordered, "Before I land, everyone must be present in the White House Situation Room." American intelligence agencies are on high alert. Multiple emergency meetings have already been held. The US now claims it remains in a defensive posture, avoiding direct engagement. 6. Total collapse of the Iron Dome. Israel's famed Iron Dome defense system failed catastrophically last night. Of the hundreds of Iranian missiles launched, over 90% struck their targets successfully, exposing severe weaknesses in Israeli air defense. 7. China issues urgent evacuation order. The Chinese embassy in Israel has issued an immediate warning to its citizens, urging them to leave the country via land or air routes. The advisory comes amid fears of further escalation and reports that Israeli airspace remains restricted. Expert view and final analysis. The question is no longer, will there be war? Now the world asks, how far will it go? Iran's combination of military strikes, cyber warfare, and geopolitical messaging has shifted the balance of power. Even without a direct Air Force campaign, Iran's missiles and cyber tools have shown what 21st century resistance looks like. Israel, once confident in its technological and military superiority, now finds itself in a multi-dimensional crisis. Closing statement and appeal. This is not just a war of missiles. This is a war of narratives, cyber control, and international pressure. May Allah grant wisdom and patience to the leaders of the Muslim Ummah, and may He protect the innocent people, whether in Gaza, Iran, Lebanon, Syria, or anywhere this conflict spreads. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. This is where truth finds a voice.
You are watching Dunia TV on your screen. Stay connected for bold, true news that matters. Like, share and follow Dunia TV on your screen.